New Weapons Channel. Today we will watch Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu visit the exhibition of Aerospace Forces of Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, where the products of the republic's military-industrial complex are presented. The head of the Russian military department got acquainted with missile weapons, unmanned aerial vehicles, as well as Iranian-made air defense equipment. The Arms and Military Equipment exhibition in Tehran showcases the achievements of Iran's aerospace industry. It shows the latest models of Iranian unmanned aerial vehicles and missile weapons in service with the country's aerospace forces. In particular, tactical missile systems, as well as ballistic missiles of long and medium range are demonstrated. In addition, the exposition includes trophy UAVs made in the USA. After visiting the exhibition, Sergei Shoigu said that cooperation between Moscow and Tehran is reaching a new level. According to him, this is largely due to the trusting relations that have developed between the leaders of Russia and Iran. He invited his colleague to discuss a number of issues of mutual interest during the talks. All about the U.S. Air Force's promising B-21 Raider stealth bomber, see the link.